Oh, I'm so excited to be in a Chili's commercial.
All right, sir, he's ready.
Alright, hello there, I'm going to be your director. I'm so excited to have you here for a Chili's commercial. How you feeling today?
Oh, I'm so excited. I love baby back ribs.
Alright, perfect. We'll bring that energy to the commercial too, okay? Alright, camera, audio, action! Cut! What the f*** are you doing?
I don't have any ribs.
You don't have it? Oi! Where the f*** are his ribs?
Oh, they're right here, sir. I'm so sorry.
How the f*** are we supposed to film a baby back ribs commercial if he doesn't have baby back ribs?
I didn't mean to forget.
Don't let it f***ing happen again!
Oh, this is hard.
Okay, we got the ribs now.
I'm so sorry about that. Go ahead, alright, action! Cut! Why the f*** aren't you singing?
Oh, I'm supposed to sing.
Yeah, aren't you the singing baby back ribs guy?
Yeah, okay, I can sing.
Then f***ing sing!
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, action!
I want my baby back.
Cut! What, are you at a funeral procession?
No, I was just singing the song.
Are you not happy to be here?
No, I really am.
Then act like it! Put some emotion into it!
Okay.
Alright, action!
I want my baby back. I want my baby back.
Cut!
I thought that was good.
You're just gonna go straight into singing, huh?
That's all you said to do.
You got a Shirley Temple sitting in front of you. You have a menu, you can look at appetizers. You're just gonna go straight into singing about baby back ribs. Is that the only thing we have on the f***ing menu?
Well, I didn't know. You didn't say the other stuff.
Alright, well put some emotion into it. Bring more to the table than just baby back ribs. You one-trick pony.
Oh, Jesus, okay.
Alright, action!
I'm at Chili's. Well, look, they have Southwest egg rolls. I have a Shirley Temple. Oh, and I got a full rack of baby back ribs. I want my baby back. I want my baby back. Chili's baby back ribs. Barbecue sauce.
Alright, that's exactly what I was looking for. If I wanted to f*** up!
What? What happened?
Seriously, no emotion into it. You found it like a f***ing robot.
I thought that was pretty good.
And I just do it again! Don't argue with the director! You know what, actually, can we get my brother in here? We might need a new actor!
I can do it, I promise. I can do it, I got it.
Alright, last chance for you! Action!
Chili's! I'm at
Shut!
Oh,
What, you can't remember the f***ing words now?
No, I'm just stressed out. You're yelling at me. I forget things.
Just pretend like I'm not f***ing here, and I'm not f***ing yelling in your f***ing ear, alright?
Okay, but you are, though.
Well, pretend I'm not.
Okay.
Do you want to be in the commercial or not?
I really do.
Alright, well, f***ing go and do it right! Action!
Chili's. I got Chili's ribs, Shirley Temple, baby back ribs, barbecue sauce.
Holy cut!
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna go take a f***ing smoke break,
Okay.
and when I come back, you better have your senses, you dimwit!
I'm so sorry. God, it's so stressful.
Alright, take 478, and if he doesn't get it right this time, I'm gonna take a hammer and bash his f***ing skull in!
Please.
Action!
Oh, I'm at Chili's. Oh, look at that. They have Southwestern egg rolls and skillet queso. I have a Shirley Temple and baby back ribs. I want my baby back. I want my baby back. Chili's, baby back ribs, barbecue sauce.
Cut! Alright, one of the 400 takes has to be good. Just fix it in post!
Well, if it makes you feel better, mate, I feel like you got it on take 200.